Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. Hello everyone, I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and today I'm with a family vocabulary in Italian. Okay? So let's begin. Please everyone must subscribe my channel. Famiglia, family, famiglia, famiglia. I genitori, parents, I genitori, parents. I genitori, parents. Madre, madre, mother. Mamma, madre, mamma. Madre, mother. Mamme, mothers. Mothers, mamme. Mothers, mamme. Next one is figlio, son. Figlio, sons. Figli. Plural is figli. Figlio, figlie. Figlia. Figlie. Figlia, daughter. Figlie, daughters. Figlia, figlie. Parenti, relatives. Parenti. There is difference between parenti e genitori. Genitori are parents and parenti are relatives. Fratello, brother. Fratello, brother. Fratello, brother. Fratello. Fratelli, siblings. Fratelli, siblings. Fratelli. Sorella, sister. Sorella, sister. Sorelle, sisters, plural. Sorella, sorelle. Nonno, grandfather. Nonno, grandfather. Nonna, grandmother. Nonna, grandmother. Nonni, grandparents. Nonni, grandparents. Nipote, grandson. Daughter, both are nipote in Italian and plural is nipoti. Please pronounce these words with me, okay? Nipote, bisnonno, grandfather, great grandfather. Bisnonno, bisnonna, great grandmother, bisnonna. Zio, uncle. Zio, uncle. Zie, uncles, plural is zie. Zi, zio, zi. Zia, aunt. Zia, aunt, plural is zie. Zie. Cugino, cousin. Cugino, cousin. Cugina, female cousin. Cugino for men. Cugina for women. Cugini, cousins. Cugini, cousins. Cugini. Moglie, moglie, wife. Moglia, wives. Moglie, mogli. Wife, moglie, wives. Moglie, mogli. Marito, husband. Marito, husband. Mariti, mariti, husband. Okay everyone, let's repeat these all the words we learned in this lesson. Famiglia, genitori, madre, mamma, padre, papà, figlio, figlia, fratello, sorella, fratelli, zio, zia, nonno, nonna, bisnonna, bisnonno, nipote, moglie, marito, cugino, cugina, parenti. Thank you so much for watching this video and must subscribe to my channel Languages with Sarah.